There are many health benefits of owning a pet. They can increase opportunities to exercise, get outside, and socialize. Regular walking to play with pets can decrease blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglyceride levels. Pets can help balance loneliness and depression by giving us companionship. Most households in the United States have at least one pet. Studies have shown that the bond between people and their pets can increase fitness, lower stress, and bring happiness to their owners. Some of the health benefits of having a pet include decreased blood pressure, decreased cholesterol levels, decreased triglyceride levels, decreased feeling of loneliness, and increased opportunities for exercise and outdoor activities, increased opportunities for socialization. However, pets can sometimes carry harmful germs that can make us sick even when the pet appears healthy. The diseases people get from animals. Below are some tips to help you and your family stay healthy while enjoying pets. Before adopting a new pet, make sure that it is the right one for you and your family. Do use research beforehand about the specific needs of the animal. Ask yourself this question before getting a pet. How long will this animal live? What does the pet eat? How much exercise does the pet need? How large will it become? How much will it cost for veterinary care? Do I have enough time to properly care for and clean up after the pet? What type of habitat does this pet need to be healthy? What type of exercise does this pet needs? Are pets allowed in my house, apartment, or condominium? Are there young children, older people, or people with weak immune systems who will care for or be around the pet? Children 5 years of age and younger, people with weakened immune system, and people 65 years of age and older are more likely to get diseases spread between animals and people, also known as a zoonotic diseases. Pregnant women are also at a higher risk for certain animal related diseases. Before getting a new pet, keep the following in mind. Households with children 5 years of age and younger should not have pet reptiles, turtles, lizards, snakes, amphibians, frogs, toads, or backyard poultry because of the risks of the serious illness from harmful germs spread between these animals and young children. People with weakened immune systems and should take extra precaution when choosing and handling pets. Talk to your veterinarian for help picking the best pets. Pregnant women should avoid adopting a new cat. Handling stray cats, especially kitchen's cat, can carry a parasite that causes toxoplasmosis, a disease that can cause birth defect. If you are pregnant, you don't need to give up your current cat, but you should avoid changing cat litter. Pregnant women should avoid contact with pet rodents to prevent exposure to lymphocytic meningitis virus when which can cause birth defects. If you are pregnant and have a pet rodent, avoid direct contact and have someone else clean it. Habitat. Wash your hand. Whether we are playing with, feeding, or cleaning up after your pets, it is important to wash your hands to help reduce the risks of getting sick from germs pets can carry. If you are a family member are concerned about illness, talk to a doctor and mention the animals you have had a contact with recently. Always wash hands after touching or playing with your pets. after feeding your pets or handing pet food, after handing pet habitat or equipment, cages, tanks, toys, food and water, dishes etc. After cleaning up after pets, after living areas where animals live, coughs, burns, stalls, etc. Even if you did not touch an animal before eating and drinking, before preparing food or drinks, after removing soiled clothes or shoes, running water and soap are best for hand washing. But you can use hand sanitizer until running water and soap are available. Adults should always assist young children with hand washing. Keep your pet healthy. Whether you have a dog, cat, horse, parakeet, gerbil, bearded dragon, or other fun pet, providing regular lifelong veterinary care is important for keeping your pet and family healthy. Regular veterinary visits are essential to good pet health. Talk to your pet's veterinarian about how to keep your pet healthy. Provide your pet with a good diet, fresh water, clean bedding, and plenty of exercise. Keep up with your pet's vaccine, deworming, and flea and tick control. Some pets can carry ticks that can spread rocky mountain spotted fever to people in areas with plague, including some rural areas in the western US. Fleas can be a risk to both animal and their owners. By keeping your pet healthy, you help to keep. By keeping your pet healthy, you help to keep yourself and your family healthy. Contact your veterinary if you have a question about your pet's health or if you think your pet may be sick. Practice good pet hygiene. In addition to hand washing, practicing good pet hygiene can help prevent the spread of germs between pets and people. Keep pets and their supplies out of the kitchen and disinfect pet habitats and supplies outside the house when possible. Never clean supplies in the kitchen sink, food preparation areas, or the bathroom sink. Pets can contaminate surface in your home with germs. You don't have touched pets to get sick from the germs. Always remove your dog's faces from your yard and public place by using a bag and dispose of it in a proper areas. Dog and cat pop can contain parasites and germs that can be harmful to keep. Keep children away from areas that might contain dog or cat pop. It prevent them from getting round worms and horcones. Cover and boxes so cats don't use them as a litter box. Clean the cat's litter box daily to lower the chances of exposure to harmful parasites. Remember, pregnant women should avoid changing a cat's litter box if possible. Teach children how to interact with animals. Pets can teach children compassion and responsibility. However, children 5 years of age and younger should be supervised while interacting with animals to ensure the safety of the child and the pet. Teach children to wash their hands right